Hello YouTubers, I'm Parvez and this is our 7th video in Pyside2 GUI development. So in the previous video we have talked about creating a queue push button, and also we have talked about signal and slots mechanism in Pyside2. So this was from the previous video. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can center your window. So first let me just copy my window code. So this is from the previous video. You can check the previous video. This is just a window. Let me just copy, and after that I will tell that what I want to do. So let me change the title to center window. So if I run this code, you will see okay, you can see we have our window in here. Even though you can adjust this using this for example X and Y position, that we have hard-coded this, but there's another trick that you can make center your GUI or your window in Pyside2. So in this video I want to show you this. Now in here I'm going to create a new method. So let me call it def center. We need some in here I need to add a queue desktop widget. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to create a queue rect in here, self.frame geometry, and after this now I need to get the center point. So let me create center point and queue desktop widget dot available geometry dot center, and now I need to move this. So queue rect, let me make it queue rect. So queue rect dot move center, and I want to move my in the center point my window, and also self.move qrect dot top left. So this is just a simple code that one thing you should remember, that we don't have any, for example, any widget for doing this. You need to create a method like this for centering your window. So now you can call this in your here in your main window class. So self.center, and now before this, if I run this, let me just comment this and run this. You can see we have in here window, and if I now run this, you can see the window is in the center position. Like this, you can create a method for centering your window. Thank you guys. If you have any question, please let me know. I will add the source code to the video description. If you have any question, you can comment, and also you can check my blog.